Hi everyone, here is question 2 for HL and question 6 for SL. We have to use the trapezium rule. Interval width or height is given as 0.4 in the question. We are just supposed to write the equation. Especially while typing on your calculators, be careful with the brackets. You can watch the necessary video for that one. 30 and 50 are the endpoints, and all the other values will be doubled. So area is estimated as 84. In part B, we are given the actual area as 72 tons. So we need to find the percentage change. Estimated value minus the actual one divided by actual one times 100% will give us the percentage error. Your answer must be positive. Please pay attention on that. Thank you for watching. See you soon.